everyone, and welcome to Friday's Assembly. We're already at the end of another week. It seems to be flying by at the moment. As always, it's lovely to see the work you've been producing and the emails that you've been sending in to the class teachers. So let's have a look at who's been making and creating some fantastic work this week. We're going to start off this week with Class 5, and let's see how Class 5 have been getting on. So the Teacher's Special Award this week goes to Eden, and that's for his maths work in the weekly challenge. So very well done, Eden. That's really nice to hear. The Home Learning Award this week, that goes to Rye. Well done, Rye. And that's for developing his new skills. So that's very well done, Rye. That's the Home Learning Award for you. And the Star of the Week this week. And this is for tackling all of the daily challenges. That's great. And this one goes to Nate. So very well done, Nate. Okay, moving on to Class 4. We'll see how we've got on. So this week, Mrs. Turner gives the Home Learning Award to Lewis. And that's for baking and helping to prepare meals. Sounds like you've been really helpful there, Lewis. Thank you. The Special Award this week goes to Will A, and that's for an amazing news video on Skara Brae. So excellent. It's pleasing to hear, Will. Thank you. And the Star of the Week. This is for great work on Purple Mash. That's well done to Verity M. So well done, Verity. That's pleasing to hear. Keep up the hard work. Okay, let's have a look how Class 3 have been getting on. So Miss Howell gives the Teacher's Special Award this week to Isla for her brilliant sunshine poetry. Very well done, Isla. We have the Home Learning Award, and this is for creating an excellent weather report, and that goes to Liam. Very well done, Liam. And the Star of the Week. So Miss Howell's given the Star of the Week to Ethan for trying new things at home. So excellent, Ethan. Very well done. So let's have a look how Class 2 have been getting on. So the Special Award for Class 2 is for Dylan this week, and that's for learning how to knit and making a knitted snake. Well done, Dylan. You'll have to fetch that in at some point so we can have a look at that. The Home Learning Award, that goes to Ellie for her work about Colonel Tom. So very well done. There's your certificate. And the Star of the Week, this is for excellent work all week. That goes to Amaya. So very well done. That's really pleasing to read. So, Class 1, the Star of the Week. Miss Latham has awarded this to Isaac for an excellent model of the Earth, Sun and Moon. Excellent work. We have the Home Learning Award this week, and that goes to Imogen for building a fantastic model rocket. Well done, Imogen. And our final certificate this week is the Teacher's Special Award, and this is for Harley May for excellent phonics work. Really well done, Harley May. Good. Well, we've reached the end of another week. I'd just like to say a huge thank you again to the children for all of their hard work. Thank you very much to the parents who are continuing to support the home learning, and thank you to all of the teachers who are updating the class pages on a daily basis. We've got the weekend to look forward to. I hope the weather picks up a little bit. It's still a little bit miserable here, but hopefully some more sunshine is on the way. So have a fantastic weekend. Thank you.